Today, we're taking a closer look at the Bama Free Tunes for Life membership for the 2011 to 2020 3.5 EcoBoost and the 2011 and newer 5-liter F-150s. This is a great option if you want to unlock better performance, improve drivability, and get the most out of any bolt-on upgrades like a cold air intake, a throttle body, or an upgraded exhaust system, all without paying for a new tune every time you make a change. What makes this membership so appealing is the lifetime access to custom tunes. That means if you ever add a new intake, exhaust, gears, or any other performance parts down the road, you don't need to worry about buying a new tune to match every time. Bama will hook you up with a new tune for free. All you have to do is send an email to the Bama team. It's really all about making sure your F-150 is running at its best, no matter how your build evolves or mods you put on it over time. Anytime you want to change things up or make additional mods to your truck, a team of certified Bama calibrators will create a new tune for you. Just send a list of the parts that you added and they'll send an email with the revised tune file. The tunes they send back aren't just going to be some generic files, they're custom written tunes by expert calibrators who dial in everything from throttle response to shift points and fueling, making the most out of your truck's potential. These custom tunes are created specifically for your truck and driving style and whatever you ask for. Something to keep in mind is that this does not support heavily modded vehicles with engine swaps or aftermarket turbos, intake manifolds, or nitrous systems, and any other really major modifications, but any bolt-on simple tunes that should get the job done for you. Bama offers a specific tune for economy as well as performance or towing for the F-150, and those are both going to come with this membership. So whether you're looking for just better fuel economy on your daily driver or you need more horsepower and responsiveness, there's a tune that comes with this kit just for you. The economy tune is going to be tailored for better fuel efficiency while still getting better than factory performance out of your truck, which is great for any daily driver. While the performance and towing tune adds a performance and low-end power for towing and more aggressive shift points. This will make your towing experience more enjoyable and improve the overall driving experience. This is a big deal if you're chasing optimal results or running other aftermarket mods that need fine-tuning. And the turnaround is usually pretty fast with those custom tunes, so you don't have to be waiting around for weeks to get your truck dialed in. These Bama tune files are only compatible with SCT and Bully Dog tuning devices, so make sure you double check which devices are compatible and make sure you're pairing it with one of those tuners and you're gonna be good to go. All right, so that's pretty much it. You get a custom tune for life, and it gets updated every single time you send them an email and you want to make a tweak or you make an additional mod to your truck. It's kind of hard to beat for this price. And as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in that upper $100 price range. And considering you're getting unlimited custom tunes for life, that's a pretty good value, especially if you plan on adding mods in the future and you just want to tweak your performance over time without repeat purchases and trying to buy new tunes. Installation on these are very easy. You just upload the tunes to your handheld tuner. So we're rating this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this set up in just 15 minutes of your time. You're gonna receive these custom files via email and load them onto your tuner, and then you can update your truck right in your driveway via the OBD2 port. If you already have a Bama compatible tuner, then you're good to go. If not, make sure you double check which ones are compatible and you get the correct device so this membership works for you. All right, well that's gonna wrap up my review of the Bama Free Tunes for Life membership for the 2011 to 2020 3.5-liter EcoBoost and the 2011 and newer 5-liter F-150s. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.